In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book more patient appointments with Google Ads. This is a fantastic tool for doctors looking to expand their reach and connect with more patients online. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to visit the Google Ads homepage. It's an essential platform for anyone looking to get customers and sell more through online advertising. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Simply click on Sign In at the top right corner of the screen. If you're new to Google Ads, you'll need to set up an account, but if you're already registered, you just need to enter your credentials. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home interface. Here you can manage your advertising campaigns, track performance, and make adjustments as necessary. This is the central hub for all your advertising activities. The next step is to click on Goals. Setting appropriate goals is crucial as it allows Google Ads to tailor your campaigns to meet specific objectives, such as increasing appointments at your practice. This feature helps you define what success looks like for your advertising efforts. After setting your goals, it's time to focus on conversions, which are essential in understanding how your ads perform. Click on Conversions in your account. Conversions help track actions that potential patients take after interacting with your ads, such as booking an appointment. To add a new conversion action, click on New Conversion Action. This step is about specifying what actions you want to track, which could be anything from phone calls to form submissions. Tracking helps evaluate the effectiveness of your campaigns and is key to ongoing optimization. Now let's focus on tracking phone calls, as these are often crucial for medical appointments. Click on Phone Calls to set up your conversion tracking specifically for calls. This allows you to monitor how many people are reaching out to your practice directly through phone calls initiated from your ads. Finally, set up your conversion tracking. This involves configuring your Google Ads account to count conversions every time a patient takes a desired action. This tracking helps you understand which ads, keywords, and campaigns generate the most value for your practice, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can better manage your Google Ads campaigns to book more patient appointments. Remember, success with Google Ads requires ongoing monitoring and adjustments, so don't hesitate to tweak your strategies as needed. If this video was helpful, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.